Hello, and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, June 18th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of finance news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is Milemarker elevates VP of Growth and Business Development Jessica Perez to partner. Milemarker, the technology platform for RIAs, broker-dealers, and more, promotes Jessica Perez to partner. In her role, Perez has driven growth by enhancing the go-to-market strategy and expanding national business development. With 20 years of experience in financial services, Perez has solidified Milemarker's position as the go-to operating system for advisory firms. Judd Mackrell, co-founder and CEO, praises Perez's strategic leadership and operational prowess, positioning the company for accelerated growth. Prior to Milemarker, Perez held key roles at Carson Group and founded a successful consulting practice. Perez expresses excitement about reimagining wealth management alongside a forward-thinking team at Milemarker. Learn more about Milemarker's modern operating system for wealth management firms at milemarker.co.
Fixed rates, flexible strategy, how the Infrastructure Capital Bond Income ETF, BNDS, navigates today's complex waters. Last year, investor sentiment for benchmark interest rate cuts rose, with the Federal Reserve cutting rates by 50 basis points. This had a positive impact on income-generating funds like the Infrastructure Capital Bond Income ETF, BNDS. Managed by Infrastructure Capital Advisors, the BNDS ETF prioritizes maximizing current income and capital appreciation. Despite challenges from trade policies and the COVID-19 crisis, the fund stands out with its active management strategy under J.D. Hatfield. By leveraging options writing strategies, the BNDS ETF aims to enhance income potential. Additionally, the potential for credit spreads to narrow could lead to capital appreciation for the fund. In a market environment filled with uncertainties, the BNDS ETF offers investors an alternative to U.S. Treasuries with its dynamic and actively managed approach.
Neovera strengthens adversarial fraud testing with acquisition of Greenway Solutions. Neovera announced its acquisition of Greenway Solutions, a leading firm in adversarial fraud testing. This move enhances Neovera's portfolio by adding live control testing capabilities, allowing sectors like banks and fintechs to proactively test fraud defenses using real-world tactics. With fraud losses on the rise in the U.S., this acquisition comes at a crucial time. Greenway Solutions specializes in simulating real fraud attacks across banking channels, providing valuable insights into strengthening fraud controls. The acquisition complements Neovera's existing cybersecurity services, offering tailored solutions to financial institutions and regulated organizations. This strategic partnership reflects the market's shift towards unified cyber and fraud prevention functions, delivering real-world protection against evolving threats.
Marlabs and Perfecter.ai announced strategic partnership to modernize lending institutions with scalable AI solutions. Marlabs, a leading digital solutions provider, and Perfecter.ai, a cutting-edge AI platform for intelligent document processing, have announced a strategic partnership focused on modernizing operations across the lending industry. This collaboration aims to help lending institutions streamline critical workflows by automating document analysis, enhancing risk evaluation, and accelerating decision-making processes. By integrating Perfecter.ai's intelligent document platform into their AI solution stack, Marlabs is enabling lenders to adopt AI responsibly and at scale, driving faster time to value in areas like underwriting, loan origination, and regulatory reporting. Perfecter.ai's platform brings transparency, speed, and auditability to document-heavy processes, helping lending institutions move towards AI-driven efficiency without compromising accuracy or control. Through joint go-to-market efforts, The partnership will offer pre-built AI accelerators for underwriting, compliance-ready solutions for document validation, and advisory services to align AI adoption with risk management strategies.
BWRCI unveils quantum-secured AI fail-safe protocol to prevent rogue AI behavior. The Better World Regulatory Coalition, Inc. unveils the quantum-secured AI fail-safe protocol, a breakthrough in AI safety using quantum cryptography and human verification to enforce expiration of AI systems. This patent-pending protocol ensures provable system shutdowns and runtime boundaries, addressing a critical gap in AI governance infrastructure. BWRCI is now engaging with quantum security firms to develop the hardware enforcement layer, seeking partnerships with leading companies like ID Quantique and Quantinuum. The protocol, designed to prevent rogue AI behavior, is open for evaluation by AI safety organizations, governments, and technical research bodies for blanket licensing and compliance alignment, supporting innovation and sovereignty in the industry. Living at Anne's Choice is money well spent. When Walt and Ruth Reller chose Anne's Choice for their retirement, they found financial stability and a worry-free lifestyle. The 90% refundable entrance fee and maintenance-free residences were attractive features. The predictable pricing structure bundles most costs into one monthly bill, making budgeting easier. The 90% refundable entrance fee provides peace of mind, allowing residents to access their investment if needed. Anne's Choice's fee-for-service model and Home for Life promise ensure residents only pay for services they want or need. The community also offers a variety of amenities, including restaurants, fitness centers, and medical facilities. Celebrating 16 years at Anne's Choice, the Rellers are confident in their investment, believing it was money well spent. Invest in your future at Anne's Choice for a fulfilling retirement experience.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.